Unlock the power of rejection. 6 reverse psychology techniques to thrive. Rejection is often seen as a negative experience, something to be avoided at all costs. However, it can be a powerful tool for personal growth and success. When you learn how to embrace rejection and use it to your advantage, you can develop a mindset that helps you thrive. In this article, we will explore 6 reverse psychology techniques that can help you unlock the power of rejection and turn it into a stepping stone toward greater success. 1. Embrace rejection as a learning opportunity. One of the first steps to using rejection as a tool for growth is to shift your perspective on it. Rather than viewing rejection as a personal failure or something to be feared, see it as an opportunity to learn and grow. Every rejection holds valuable lessons that can help you improve your approach, whether it's refining your skills, understanding your weaknesses, or identifying areas for improvement. Rejection forces you to reassess your strategies and adjust your mindset, which ultimately leads to personal development. To put this into practice, you can ask yourself after each rejection, what can I learn from this? Was there something I could have done differently? How can I use this feedback to improve my next attempt? By approaching rejection in this way, you take control of the situation and turn it into a positive learning experience. 2. Reframe rejection as a sign of progress. Another powerful technique in using rejection to your advantage is reframing it as a sign of progress. Instead of viewing rejection as a roadblock or something that sets you back, see it as a step forward in your journey. Every time you face rejection, you are putting yourself out there, taking risks, and moving closer to your goals. Success rarely comes without overcoming obstacles, and rejection is simply a part of that process. When you shift your perspective on rejection and see it as an indication that you're moving in the right direction, it becomes less intimidating. In fact, rejection can serve as proof that you're challenging yourself and pushing beyond your comfort zone. The more rejections you encounter, the closer you are to finding success, because you're consistently taking action and learning from your experiences. 3. Use reverse psychology to challenge yourself. Reverse psychology is a powerful tool that can help you change your mindset and push through fear and self-doubt. By using reverse psychology on yourself, you can reframe your thoughts and challenge the beliefs that are holding you back. For example, instead of thinking, I can't handle rejection, tell yourself that rejection is something I thrive on. By convincing yourself that rejection is not only manageable but beneficial, you begin to rewire your brain to approach it with confidence and resilience. You can also use reverse psychology to set higher standards for yourself. If you're afraid of failing, you can trick yourself into believing that failure is a necessary. One of the most important aspects of using rejection to your advantage is learning how to separate yourself from the rejection. Often, we take rejection personally, believing that it reflects our worth or abilities. However, this mindset can be limiting and prevent us from moving forward. When you learn to accept rejection without internalizing it, you can maintain your self-confidence and keep moving toward your goals. To do this, practice detachment. Understand that rejection is not a reflection of who you are as a person, but rather a result of external circumstances or factors that are beyond your control. When you remove the emotional charge from rejection, it becomes easier to see it for what it truly is, an opportunity for growth and improvement. This approach allows you to bounce back more quickly and stay focused on your long-term goals. 5. Turn rejection into motivation. Instead of letting rejection hold you back, let it fuel your motivation to keep going. Rejection can be a powerful motivator because it can trigger a desire to prove others wrong or to demonstrate that you are capable of overcoming obstacles. When you experience rejection, use it as a source of inspiration to work harder and push yourself further. You can also use rejection as a reminder of your goals and aspirations. Rejection may temporarily knock you down, but it doesn't have to stop you. By turning rejection into motivation, you can continue pursuing your dreams with renewed determination and resilience. The key is to use rejection as a stepping stone rather than a stumbling block. 6. Take small risks to build confidence. If you're afraid of rejection, it's important to start small and gradually build your confidence. Taking small risks allows you to expose yourself to rejection in a manageable way and helps you build the resilience you need to face bigger challenges. Each small risk you take will give you the experience and confidence you need to tackle more significant challenges in the future. Start by setting small, achievable goals that involve putting yourself out there in ways that might lead to rejection. This could involve asking for feedback, applying for a job you may not feel fully qualified for, or simply trying something new that pushes you outside your comfort zone. Each time you take a small risk and experience rejection, you will grow stronger and more confident in your ability to handle rejection in the future. Conclusion: rejection doesn't have to be a negative experience. When you learn how to use rejection to your advantage, you can unlock the power of resilience, growth, and success. By embracing rejection as a learning opportunity, reframing it as a sign of progress, using reverse psychology to challenge yourself and accepting it without taking it personally, you can turn rejection into a powerful tool for thriving. Additionally, by turning rejection into motivation and taking small risks to build confidence, you can continue to move forward, even in the face of setbacks. You are